Now this question is
katataka lukonkoelu lwakulo limushinga wa bongi Yesu mwana chimbambila animashia.
it's a very important question
Lukonkoelu wa mushinga
because this Jesus
walibwa Yesu ewu
lays claims
wakutamba kuchadika ni kwamba misangu ya bungu malu wa bongi
says, for example,
ujuwamba chilejelu ndi njila bulelela ni moyo bungu munyi bujibuloko ditatu kakwena umo ujuloko ditatu kayimupichile kunji jambeji
that's what he said.
nchakambayi
And today
ne lelu
this Jesus
Yesu ewu
being marginalized
mujana bikole
and
kuji
critics and his
batontolodi
they call
ne bashintululi kampanda bakujamisha malu mabi mumalu anzambi bwakupola michima ya bantu pa bitala chikena kumone chichamasiya.
organic side of the Bible. Jesus must,
Yesu
if we want to have
uvwanta ku wantendelelu yonso
become one on a level,
mulo muchitupa mupinganyi waba kwa bunuji banteleshi anyi
he cannot stand out the
kanono mwakumvwa bwa muntu mujukile mujulu mupweke pabuloba bwaba kwabo
But if this Jesus
bikala Yesu Kristo ewu jimasiya wanzambi
God and is
udi nzambi
well then
ninunole menjine katataka wakulwa mwele chimbambila mukanda nzambi juwamba telejayi
influence you.
chena musikunwezesha kumakanda nashi Yesu mwene chimbambila animasi
Jesus says in John 6,
Yesu juwamba muyone chapter mwisambo mumesoma 13 mwana mukulu na kufuma mujulu
that's not everyone who can say that, right?
baba tuwema kwamba nankusema omusi
Something usual, I can't say that.
echi mbulelela ani bwali bufanikisha
Assumption or it is truth. Evidence that demands a verdict, a book by Josh McDowell.
mumukanda wa Josh McDowell mufunda ne bulelela budibulomba chilumbuluji beli bampata bakwa beli batayila chi profete cha Yesu Kristo bane chaka kumbana mumpuka mpuka bilondi shilmalu ajimanya ja machinkijila
Being up until
muntu kana yonso ujimu akukumbaja chi profete echi ani bi profete chi tema mwikale chi profete echi chaji kumi cha kupopeji boku muchimu cha makani nuntu tale ne
only 8 prophecies.
bi profete mwanda mukulu
Consider
chichi pita chingani bitu angata bi profete makumi mwanda mukulu
become virtually
makumi anayi ni mwanda mukulu
power times 10
jese jijulo chishengo pa wangata umo kuvujisha kumisango jikumi kutentekesha luka makumi atano mwanda mutekete
signs in the entire universe. And
kabye nabikumbana na sha
so this is the number of
ebi bibilesha ne kuji mbombo ne mbombo
ad infinitum.
ya bintu mu
Wow.
chibwashi wow
What about all 61 prophecies? I believe
chakupita nchingani mbi profete makumi asambo mune chimwe
every single one of them
byonso byakakumbana mu Yesu Kristo
by Jesus.
nomba chapter makumi abiri mwina invenso ali kunaona mutekete ujo ambane mutoto na lupuke kudi Yakobo
He would be preceded by a messenger. Let's
neba ujanjilile kudi mutumibwe
get a big deal out.
kudi tumalu tukesemenemene tudi tukumali muchi profete echi
We'll briefly run through some of these.
muyesha makumi anayi kudi verse mwisatu
The voice of
jija muntu juwele lubila mu ne nulongolo lenshila wa yepo wa muchipela
in the desert, a highway
nululamishile nzambi wetu njila munene muchipela
by a messenger.
byonso ebyakaleje ne uvoni chakwikala mutu mibuvo chakulo kumpala kwenda muchikondo achumaka mweneka yone mubatiji muchipela cha Yuda uvo yisha bantu amani kudi muna michima bukale mbwa nzambi ujipepi mata isa tukujwa kumujilu toni kumwisa tumvense wakafila lumulu mvusha bwa Mesia muyona mwana mukulu makumi asatu mwisa mbombo baba tu amane
So very
byanu pa mwana bujishikamini nenu ikali bajishikamini bulelela echinchi profet cha mushinga bilondi shile jishari kadi ya Yesu Kristo buji kadi yebu
Christ.
buji ulo mu Kristo
One else
kakwena monga muntu nashi
comes to the Father.
ujua mani kakwena muntu walo kuditatu anukunji
The Jews answered, "We are Abraham."
bakamwambile ni twe tujitunka nunune twabala pama katutubanji kwikala bapika ba muntu nashi
He was talking of freedom from
Yesu wakuambile nchena amba bwa bwalu bwa buji kajijabu uvuwa kula bwalu bwa buji kajiji kubupika ni kububi bukalembwa ni kabwe na bwa pabulo bapo nashi yone jikumi ni mwanda mukulu kunivesi wa makumi asitu mbombo
all the virgins
kulejibwa kwa muchishima mwana wabakaji uchijika mama
named in
ne miti jifunaleli mwana wabalume nebo mwidi kijina Emmanuel nzambi netu
anyone. God
muchikondi chakushala kunyima nzambi netu mena afo ni mumvuisha Emmanuel ujumvuisha nzambi netu
referred wasn't just an objective name, it had a meaning. So Emmanuel
pa ebi
means
Emmanuel ujumvujene zambi netu Yoshua bikujuma muchena ngeleka bimvujene Yesu bimvujene yepowa musungidi zambi musungidi.
and Jesus laid
Yesu wakuleja patoki na wakuleja ne uji munkachi mwa mishindu yonsu yantendelelu
any religious system. That's a
kibidi bimvuje mu Yeshayi chapter 1 mutete verse 1
and the angel said to her,
na olele mwana wa balume no mwili kijina ne Yesu
the name Jesus, which is exactly
byo bimene bimvuje ne Emmanuel yepowa musungidi
is here.
zambi netu.
God with us.
Luka chapter 1 verse 12 mwana mukulu 33
And then the Old Testament
mujipungile jukulukulu baji bambane betelepema
out of
mukwabo na lupuke munda mwebe bwabwalu bwanyi bwakwikala mukokeshwa bene iselele Mika chapter 5 verse 2 bwalu bukesi bwa betelepema mukeseu betelepema efeleta ujumvujene jampa ja mujulu jifu mujulu lupabuloba muleji bu betelepema
we know that was also fulfilled.
byaka kumbana Yesu akaleji bu betelepema wa Yuda muchikondo cha Elode
He was
ne bakamupesha jina jane Yoshua
Yahweh.
Yahweh
Savior.
musungiji.
Jesus said, "The Lord has anointed me to
Yesu jambane
tidings unto the
yepo akangela manyi pamuto bwameme kwambila baji muji kengalu mulwimpe
proclaim liberty to the captives and the
wakuntuma bwakusankisha michima ya baji batamba kunyingalela bwakwambila baji babweshibu mbufika jija bujishikamini bwabo ne bwakwambila baji baswiki bwe musubu wa lukanu bwaliko poka jabu
and 19
kwambila bantu bwachimu cha jakalengele ja yepowa bwakusamba bonso baji mu majilu byonso ebi byakakumbana Yeshayi jambane masiya
through miracle
na ineze bishim
shall be opened, the ears
na kangule meso abampofo
then shall the
bena mapapa ne bumvwe bile mane bende bungulungu
and the New Testament man
ni jipungile jipyaji pya mumata chitema 35
healing all manner of
bali batu leje mushindo akonda pa ibwa nivonda pa masama wonso
born in Zion the oil of joy.
vokolisha bantu bakaji ne mabeji ne matekete wonso
61:3. In the Psalms we read that the Messiah
mumisambu tubalene masiya wakaka na kangule mukana mwende munsu mwinu mchocho cha kenzayi
Jesus spoke in parable.
byonso byakakumbana akakula munsu mwinu mukanda nzambi ujubweli uamba kubwela kwende kwa butumbi muzekayi
Zechariah, thy king cometh unto
mukalenge webe ujulwa kudi yeye uji mwaka nene muchimuni ni uji ni kalolo ni uji wenda pani mapampunda byonso byakakumbana bubumva bibyamba
I trusted and shared my bread with has lifted up his heel against me that he would be betrayed.
bakanki na chimwenze bwalu byonso ebi byakakumbana
That Judas
kudi Yudas Iskariote chakapita chini muzaka chapter jikuni mumveso jikuni mwibili kako jikuni mwisatu
12 and 13. So they went,
bakabidikishila bitu ba bya argent 30 budifutu jani to ni mushinga
they was paid for this deception
bwabwalu ebububi
is listed in the Old Testament. And they took 30 pieces of silver and
bakanga tampaleta 30
of the Lord. And that's exactly
wakaya kuyisumbula
Potter's field.
mwakadi byamba
Take the money which was death money.
ku bivo makuta amash makuta alufu
What will you give me and I will
Yudas Iskariote wakaya kumwana bakudi banene wakamba ne nudi baswe
silver. And he cast down the pieces.
twenze chingani nunu mpesha chinga bwa mekunu peshai
And what did they do?
bakamupesha makuta 30 bakakusumba bujimi bwa mufumbi wa
Back to those who
bifwadi
my cheeks to those who pulled out my beard. The suffering
nakafila mawani kuji batuchi ne matamani kuji bantu bwa batule nsuki ya mwedi chakasoko kampala wani kubundu ni kuji bakuji
7 times once
ni kuji batuji ba mat
was struck in the face.
misamwa na mutekete baji bakule mushindu kayuji bamwende kuji be pelode kuji bafumba bena lomo kuji Pilatu misamwa na mutekete
To Herod, back to Pilate 7 times.
misamwa na mutekete
I did not hide my
chakasoko kampala wani kulu tatweli na Yeshayi 50 ku verse mwisambombo
my face. They buffeted him.
bakankuma mapi
They said in the Bible.
bakantu ilalute byonso byakakumbana mvua byamba kumisango yonso anu nankwana nkumukanda nzambi
69 that he would be.
bakankina chimwenzi bwalu nanshi
They hated me without cause.
wakabengibwa
was oppressed
mujibi byamba kabili mukanda wa yone
He was brought like a lamb.
byonsu byakakumbana
Everything there
kakakula na shamwaku anubu muji mukoko ujiba yana ku chipelu
is a testimony.
jifungile ji kulukulu jijibushari kwa jifungile ji pyaji pya alwa Yesu
The priests and the elders, he answered nothing. Just like a lamb.
kakamba bwalu anubu muji
Matthew 27:12.
mujibu bayene mwana mukoko ku chipelu
Shook their heads and say, look at this guy. Where's he come from?
bakankina chimwenzi bwalu umisamba kumyasa munchitema mvesi mwinayi bakamubenga muwakaji byamba bakamukengesha byamba muyone kakaka angula mukana mwanje andubu muji mwana mukoko uji batwala ku chipelu
They will look on
byonso ebi byakakumbana mujifungile jikulukulu nijo jeji jijibujaji kibwa Yesu
the sins of many and made intercession for the transgressors.
pakamufunda boku jibakwiji kaka kujimuna mwako
Beautiful prophecies.
anubu muji mwana wa nyama wa mukoko jibatwala mumata makumbi mwana mutete verse wadi ngubiji bakanyungisha mitu yabo mbyamo munasho matai
What they do.
bakamuteka mpopa ne benshi ba maluma bi
The Messiah was predicted
bakamupopela ne bifi babiji muzaka chapter wadi ngubiji verse wadi 10
amongst them and for my
ne bakujungu ne mpale abo batangile ewa kukengesha
They say then, my God, why did thou forsake me? Because it was
yeyi wakalombela
22 verse
bakamututa muyishayi 50 muyisatu verse wali kumwibiji byonso ya mujifungile likulukulu byakakumbana mu Yesu Kristo muluka 20 muyisatu verse 33 mwinayi ujua mani 3 bafwele lusi kabenda bamanchi bubenza
even down to that
bwalu
detail.
bonso nasho wabukese buvobutale Yesu Kristo bwakakumbana
Words that he would speak. Into thy hands I commit my spirit. Father, in
bakabanyanga na bivalu byanyi ani bilulu byanyi
there,
benda bela na binshobo
all these bones, not one of them is broken.
wacho kama ni 3 wakundekela bwachini
Typology with a lamb, with a Passover lamb. It was
Yesu wakafolufulwa butapuluki wakadi mutapuluki bwebe ne bwani
those bones would not be broken.
bakuntuta jifuma mumbaji
And
baku
the Jews were afraid
bakufanda makasani
to come down
ne byanza byani bakubitubula
on the Sabbath day because they had hordes of
meye nandika jujambane njinteka moyo wani mu byanza byebe na shamuluka ujwambule meya momu byonsu bifanangane
Testament says, but when they came to Jesus, he was already dead, so they did not break.
padi tuya mu chifungile chikulukulu byonsu bivo mu njijimbi
And they pierced his side.
pachikondo chakale pavwa baja mwana wa mukoko kabavoshwa mifuba nashi mbyamomu bivo bifanane bivo mujibwa Yesu Kristo kaba unchakushipa mifuba yende nashi
Predicted in great
chakaji tukujajiji longolola
flown over them.
ne sabato apa bwendu vopa bwipi
The nuances.
kaba vubi tabo kujibenu yuda bwa mubidi ushale kulu nashi bakalomba Pilato bwane baba chubule bibelu byabo ne baba tulule baka chubule bibelu bya aba pakafika buku Kristo bakabeta byende bikale kumuyone chapter wadi kunishitema verse 23
He might be justified.
mwaba
His righteousness
wakaleji bwaye
we had no share.
uvumumana kwamba
Suffered the death which
mushindu waleji bwaye mushindu wa mutungilabo nasha wa lufu lwende byonso byakakumbana
statement. God so loved the world that he
tutupa tonso kana twakakumbana
whoever believeth him should not
bushali kibulelele
but have everlasting life.
Kristo wakakengeshibo mutu akali twetu nchakukengeshibo
Very interesting.
wakanyokibwa bwa mibi yetu mushindu twakatwetu kunyokibwa
With the wicked,
yeye kaimwa banyangane tububi ebi nashi twetu akupeta bwaka ni bwende butu vakatu yini baba nyangane nende nashi wakukenga lufu luvo lwetu twetwe bwa twetu tupete moyo uvo wende
was buried, everything there.
kumibunda bunda yende tuji
Some of the critics said,
bonda piebwe
well, hang on a second, maybe he wasn't a historic figure.
bushali kubulelela bwalu bwa
The New Testament
zambi wakatamba kusoba pabulo bakaba pamwana njumwe pele mwele bwa mutu nso muita buja kafubyandi kani moyo wachendelele muyesha makumi atanu muisatu verse wachitema ujutu ambilene
never understood the prophecies.
wakafwa ne benshi ba maluma bi ne mubanji mukwabo wakalo kumupesha lukita lwende
And they said that the
mumata makumi abiri mwana mutete makumi atanu mwana mutekete
weren't historic figures. Well, I have news
mushindu wakulejibwa kwende ne mushindu wakushikibwa kwende byonsu mwakaji byamba mujifungileji
at a museum in
bakebuluji bakwabo bajibenda bakeba bambane Yesu Kristo akikalaku
Pontius Pilate
bakutufungila malwamba twetu andu kuitaba chanana bwana Yesu akakumbaje biprofete ebi.
Some of the historians, Tacitus, the Roman historian who lived
Yesu Kristo
115,
wakukumbaje biprofete ebi.
Nero's persecution of the Christians of the year AD 46.
Nudi bamanyine
Christos, from whom they
Bafales
was executed
na shabafundi kaba vubumvwe bwalu bwa chiprofete chinashi.
So there's an
Badibela mpata bambani na Pilato kakadi kuto. Pilato voku pato kwangule buchitata kampanda kuyabu na chumumize. Badibasani mena a Tiber na Ponce Pilate mena akadiku malu amumiyuki akale ajaleje bwane bakwikelaku.
Jewish sect, so they were called Jews.
Na tutala mwemani wa malu akalu wa bena lomo tasite muchimu cha Luka majiku minishitani kunima kwa Yesu Kristo ujiwa ambane Kristo kujijina edijifumine mu bukalengo bwa Nero mu makumi anani bisambo mukunyima kwa Yesu Kristo wakashipibwa ku Ponce Pilato mu bukalengo bwa Tiber.
Very issue.
Echi machadiki alikaya mukanda nzambi toka mikale amiyuki akale. Swetone mwena malu ansumwinu muku abu malu akale wa benolomo uju funde muchimu cha Luka mani makumi abiri kunyima kwa Yesu uju wakula bwa bwalu bwa Kristo bwalu wa nini vakaji bena Yuda bikale bachanguluke
Beautiful story
pa bilibitane Yesu Kristo Claudius pa voba ile chipa ngwa bwalu wendo wakabipata
sacrifice
mutalmido
man which stood
bikaji lubi akali bya bena iselele
the world.
bakali pasa kani chako kumbana bakani chako shipa Yesu Kristo.
Washing, where you are washed by
Yesu Kristo wakaji ntakuwa ntendelelo wa bena Israel panunu tanila muchi tendelelo katupa konso ne bwalu bonso bobwika libuleja bufila anukuji Yesu muyuki muimpe wa bulongolodi bwa lupandu.
even in the typology of the high priest stood for Jesus Christ.
Uvo wimvija mulambu wa mwana mukoko jumusemi byaba pabuloba bonso
Who entered
muchitendelelu mwakaji jilonga bwakowa
such a high priest
mayi bwakujula mibi ne byonso biujina bya bibi mukutonda kwa mibi eyi. Yesu Kristo njila jampa, Yesu Kristo moyo, Yesu Kristo mutu akwidi, Yesu Kristo masiya.
made with hands which are
Muyuki kayi muimpe kumpala kwa tone bakaji kumpala kwa choshelo mwakwidi munene uvo mundi jimbo wa Yesu Kristo
in the presence of God.
bwalu bwatudi ni mwakwidi wanunku wakashika makuchanza chikole chankwasa butumbi wa mutambe bunene wa mulu
Of the very
ujumwene mujimu wa mwaba mutambe chishila ni wachitendele chilelela chakashimikabo kodi nzambi kachakashimikibwa kodi muntu.
acknowledges equality of all. But the Bible says that
Bwalu bwa Kristo wakabwela mu mwabo wa chishila mwaba
through Jesus Christ.
mwasa ni byanza kawi mwasa ni byanza mufanane ni mwaba mulelela
In this world,
kaji wakabwela mujulu mwine bwa kumwene kaye mpindie ukumpala kwa nzambi bwa bwalu bwetu
the one who would
jipungile jikulukulu jonsu jakali munji jimbi wa Kristo
listen for your and my salvation.
pindie tujikumpala kwa bwalu bunene
Well, there's a fantastic
bantu bapabulo bebe bamba ni panu libasu bwa twikali momumwe ene bali bashi bwa twikali bonsu bwetu bafanangana
beyond a shadow of doubt. So much
kalimuka na nzambi jo ambane
that it is an
kakwena mushindo wa kwikala musungi jibwe bikala kwena mpichilu kuji Yesu
reject Jesus Christ as the
Yesu kena bumu profete kana yonso euto yeye uji masiya mulaya kuji nzambi
2 now.
nzambi mulu atibu muntu bwakulo kufuta mushinga wakupikula muntu kumibiyende bwalupandu lwende
The iron. But here,
tuwone chakumani mushinu tutimani
in terms of
kuji chi profete cha mushinga mu Daniele
particular
chakujikisha mpata ya bena mpata bonso
larger than the other, and the Bible tells us who
bonso bavuba benge masiya
it's a reference to the Medes and the Persians, and it tells us that while these
kujaba bonso bakumubenga
another goat came along
mu Daniele chapter 1 mukulu
with a prominent
tujini muyuki mufanani wa Daniele chapter muibidi
in Daniel chapter 8. it
wakula bolbwa
A horn is a king.
mutu wa ngolo chad cha argent
In his eyes is
chimono chikali cha chamo cha mitako ne makasa chamo chifika muyuke ulutala mpindie unyama wo
the Bible tells us exactly
nunu mwana
what these symbols stand for. And it says
chimpanga chikali ni nsengu ibi chumukanda nzambi ujua ambane biji medayo ne bena peles
was conquered. So there
ne tutumona mbujwa mpumbu mwene kabiende muikali lusengu munkachi mwa mesu ende bani pankachi ba mesu
the goat waxed very
bivo bimvuija mfumo wa kumpala
strong, the great.
ela imenji mfumo kai wa belangeleka
So
Alexandre munene
would come to his end
katu yikule to
in its place
mukanda nzambe uji utoambila biji bibi mvuija
towards the winds of
pumbu wa mbuji wakaya kulwangana ne chimpanga chakadi ne sengu ibiji ne wakachi muna
regions. Interesting, there were 12 generals,
Daniel chapter 1 munkulu
but after
pumbu wakapeta makanda abungi to ne pakachi buka lusengwelu Alexandre munene wakukuluka
waxed exceeding great
ne pamwa bawende
towards the east and towards the plain.
sengu ina yakupatuka mifumine kunseke yonsu ya pepele ya mujulu
It cast down some of the host of the stars,
ngelesa ani ngeleka wakati polikombi tubabinayi
fired himself even to the
bavo balwanga ni bavo jiku ni babiji bakali jiku ni babiji kaji bakachi muna bakaji anu banayi lusengu lukwabu lukesemene lwakapatuka kusengu ayinayi
in the original text.
lwakajunda to ne pakapita lubunene kuluseke lwa sude lwa esete ne kuluseke lwa buloba
So by him the dead
bulengele
and the place
lwakadivuisha bunene bumukokeshi wa misumba ya mujulu
actually stood for the Messiah.
lwaka munyenga
Came along
milambu yandi ya bwacha lwakanyanga mwaba wa chitendelulu chanji
now he's in vision.
lomo wakalwa
I'll speak to another one.
mujibyamba mu version King James
Said unto that certain
chitendelulu chakadi chumvuisha mwanje lugabale yele wakasemena wakangane oh Daniele
be the vision,
njimuli bawukupesha lungenyi
the
ni
daily
bushingu luji
sacrifice added, by the way, the daily
kupesha
tamid, the
jumvuisha kuchingani
continual. That was the
Kubwalwepo.
fire that was burning.
mbingu makumana mutekete
The fire meant that the sacrifice
bakayikosa pa bantu bebe
always
ne pachimenga chisantu
atonement of Christ. We can come to that.
lumi ulu ni matukubu munyi mwanda
And
mutekete
the transgression of desolation,
mbingu eyima kumwana mutekete
the host to be trodden under.
bakayikosa pa chisamba chebe
To me,
chisamba kayi bena yuda
unto
ne pa bantu bebe
2,300 days,
chimenga chebe kabiji chimenga kayi
sanctuary be cleansed. Daniel,
chimenga chisantu yelushalema
we have a time prophecy.
bwakulekesha mibi yonso kwimanyika matomboka onso
100-day prophecy.
bwakutwala bwakani bwachendelele
Indeed,
bwakutwa chitampi pa chikena kumwanechi
but
ne chiprofete
discussing
ne bwakwela wachiyila
prophecy.
mani mbingu eyima kumwana mutekete
Daniel 8,
ivo bakosele iji umvuija
in the latter time of their kingdom, a kingdom
miumusha
of continence and understanding, dark sentences shall
ili chikondo cha kumana jitomboka
against the prince
kuvuija shikijilwa malu mabi
shall be broken. With
kuba vuija bwakane budi bushale chendele ngani mwakwenza malu a
thunderous prophecy.
ngani mwakuchula mipi nashe jitomboka anu yesu nkayenda
Who's going to be in control?
echi ji chiprofeti cha masiya lekela nwambili bunga bwalu
Told is true
bena yuda bakata chibwa pa china bwalu echi anchi profeti echi
for the future.
tangila echi ji milao ya bara ben ani ya balabi babani mifuba yichibuke ya byanza na sha minu ya makasa yibole ya ewu wa bala mabeji amuka nde wa Daniel wa kangula
Don't worry, you don't have
lungenyi lwene na shamutu ende bibole bijini pabuloba kashidi ne kashidi
stage, but not
mukeji wa Talmud mujibe jama kumchite mwana mutekete katu bakibi jibe jama kumebi ni wanda mukulu
so he's thinking
echi chakulwa mulawe umulu o bubungenda
Daniel 8:7.
nujinanyani dimusukunu ebeja bunga bwalu
And when he came, I was afraid and fell on my face.
dimusukunu ebeja bana Amerika batu amba bwalu bukwapo yani unulomba chintu kampandani udimusukutunguluka nanshoko kwikale mulawani bino soko ya nani mudani chapter chitema verse 19 toni kulima 21 mutekete
Future concerns
mulawe ovwa nchakuluka patwetu kadidi nwambila bwalu bumu
aspects to it.
kabie na mwako twenzekela bwalu bwatu ditwenzela mukalen wa bakalen uli pamutu pamilawu
The 9
ngakumvo bwachingali bo bavo bumvo bowa
onwards, we have
kaba baskwenza makumpa bwalu ebunashi
part of the vision. So while I was speaking in prayer, the man Gabriel,
tutailai
the angel Gabriel, came to me in swift flight.
miumusha mikosa
I have now come out
mitapulula binguma kumwana mutekete miumusha ani mikosela kuchiprofete bwa bena yuda
and here we go.
chiprofete echi chijibwa ajituku chilwa chijimu
70
nuku
are
jituku
determined
ja
from thy people,
dimwe
and upon thy
jiji dimvuisha chini muchishim bingu lumingu lushima lumvuisha bidi mwana mutekete
so 70 weeks
tudi basiku yampinye mukanaza muye pese kele chapiti muina invest muisambombo
to that day,
njinku tekela jitu dimwe buchidi muchishim
determined upon
paji wakula bwalbwa jumvuisha ja muchi profete munomba jikuni nayi makumesa tumuinayi
upon thy holy
bungu bwa matuku ano kutentekela buloba matuku makumya nayi mene nebuikali bungu bwa bijimu
end of sins, to make
bingu makumwana mutekete
reconciliation, to bring in everlasting,
yakumushibwa
to
pachisamba chebe poli uyivujisha kumwana mutekete bidi byenza
the most high.
kama inani makumichitema matuku bidi bimvujisha kabijine
Thunderous
bijimu kama inani makumichitema ya chiprofete byumusha ani
cut off
bikosela
for this particular time from this particular
bikosa kuchingani
and all these things must be accomplished.
kuchi profete cha jindani jilolo
Expiation for iniquity,
binunu bibine kama isatu
everlasting right.
kama inani makumichitema miumusha bwa bena yuda
Who brings
bidi bimvujisha chingani bidi mwepi
who can
chitendelelo chikali chi longolola ku chikondo cha chikondo echi kundekela kwa chikondo echi
now let me tell you
jilolene tumoni
of
bwane bidi bitwajije chili mukai nibijika chikondo kai bidi mwebi binunu bidi kama isatu
this is the rabbinic curse, and you will find it in Talmudic law page
ntwini cha kumane jiba dini cha kutwaji
section 2 line 28.
nibi bangi shiji bakai fatu tubalambi nguma kumana mutekete ijileja mulau wa bena labuni mudani shapiti tsema mbe soma kumya bidi mwinai
Him who turns the pages of the book of Daniel to find
Jimuso
out
ben
the
seu.
time of Daniel 9:24 to 27.
teleja bimpe bidi bitumvuje nunku janda muna
Memory rot from off the face.
janda muna jiji jamushinga
Wow, these guys mean.
bingu mwana mutekete bakayikosela bantu bebe
So now I have to ask you something. What do the Americans say?
manya bimpe ne umvune to nkacha kuchikondi chakela mukenji wane Yerusalemu ne baki lujibo chaka biji to ne kudi mulombo limweji bwe mani
Because if you are going to number with
vuluka imu Daniele ujimu bupika ne chimenga chinyango ke
curse should theoretically stick to us.
bibi kenla kubala
Let me tell you something. I serve someone
chikondo kai chela bumukenji chakwiba kulula musoko
curse.
to ne kudi mweji bwe mani wachijila
Curse went on there, somebody might number
kudi mbingu mwana mutekete
that prophecy and find out whom they really
mbingu mwana mutekete ne mbingu makumesa muni ibidi
cut off,
ne basi musoko chaka bidi mwikale
separated
ne mwababu wa chisalu ni misesu
from the
chikondo echi ne chikale cha ntatumen
the Jews. Now let's look at it. In prophecy, a day
Daniel uleje toni chikondo cha lwa masiya ela image bimpo bwane Daniel oji mubupika
for 7 days. So a day for the year, the day year principle.
ne chimenga chincha kwikala chupula yiga kubala chikondo chela bumukenji okuya kwasula musoko to nekudifika ja muntu mweji bwemani
I have pointed thee
nikuikale mbingu mwanda mutekete
for a year.
ne mbingu makumya sambombo ni ibiji
A prophetic sense.
ne base musoko chakabiji
After the number of days in which you search the land,
mwikale ni mwababu wa chisalu ne misesu
day for a
chikoso echi ne chikale cha chikondo echi ne chikale cha ntatu ya bongi cho profeti cha masi echi chileje toni Daniel lulu leje toni chikondo cha lomasi
the 70 weeks and see
nomana chichipitani muka na nzambi tobalai
70 weeks
mbingu mwana mutekete idiyenza
on your people.
matuku makumyala nchitema bidimu makumyala nchitema mbingu makumya sambo mune bidi bimvuisha matuku kama inayi makumya satune inayi bibiyenza kama bidimu kama inayi makumya satune binayi
Cut off from what?
mukenji wa kufukulula ne kuibakila Yerusalema ne bikale mbingu mwana mutekete ne chitendene chikali chibaka masiya
490
na lwe
days cut off for the Jews.
tutuke bachinganya hapo tuni bolu ne matuku
Have a look a little further.
ata shasete mukalengo wa pelesi wakela mukenji muchimu cha
At the end of that period,
kama inayi makumi atanu mwana mutekete kumpala kwa Yesu Kristo
only this
mukenji eu uvopesha bujikajiji kudibena Yuda
is about.
mukenji
You
eu
have to know when the prophecy
uvoye to
right?
ne kujimanika ja Yerusalema
these 2,300 years begin. From when
muchimu cha kama inai makumi atano mwana muteketi kumpala kwa Yesu Kristo
the rabbinic codes
kama inai makumi ana mkune isatu bidi mwebi panu hata makumi anani chitema kusanashine kama inai makumi asatu ne inai bimuvisha bidi makumi ana muteketi kulima kwa Yesu Kristo bimu makumi ana muteketi idimikalani jitu kudimika chimu chichimu
tonight,
nudibo vulukani
they would certainly puzzle me.
talai
Because it's
hata shesete
crazy.
fumu waba mfumu kudi ezela mwakwidi le mufundi mwishu wa mikenji ya nzambi
No,
pabi bitala bene iselele
and understand
jimuntu mubuko keshi bwabobu kufingana ku Yerusalema ne baji basuku ya nanji
Jerusalem
bibo mukenji ne meme hata shesete jimpesha buko keshi kudi balemba chibu chiluba ja mama ja musulumu nene bwaba peshe ezela mwakwidi byonsu bya balombai
and now
byonsu ebibiji byumvuisha
and you
chikondo kai cha kubangisha mukenje mu chimu cha kama inai makumi atano mwana mutetu kumpala kwa Yesu
from the going forth of the decree, the commandment to restore and build Jerusalem,
chipofeti chiji cha binunu bibiji kama isatu matuku
be 7
manyayi ne umvayi tonu ku chikondo cha tumabu mukenje wa Yerusalema ne bakulu cha kabiri tonu kumasiya mweji bwe manyi mbi mwana mutekete ne mbi makumi asambo mune ibiji mwana mutetu kusansha ne makumi asambo ne ibiji bibenza bo munyi
telling
bibi
Daniel
tuma makumi asambo mune ibiji mbingu
when the Messiah would come.
kwa kushala lumingu lumwe
It's in the Bible.
kadi chipofeti chamba ne masiya mweji bumanyi
Now,
ne umushibwe munkati mwa chini muchimu
49.
pano ataba kumya asambo muni chitema kumusha mwana mutekete bitwesha kama inayi makumi ana mune isatu
400,
chipofeti chonso cha kujika mu
34 years.
makumi asambo muni chitema
The decree to
kwa
restore
kushala
and build Jerusalem, and then the
lumingu lumwe lulu tutwala muchimu cha
temple restored,
makumi abine mwana mutekete kunyuma kwa Yesu
Messiah.
Yesu vone bijumbu munyi kumpala kwa yeku twaje muji mwanje
What do we need?
makumi asatu
We need a date.
bwachingani
Yeah, and we can
makumi abine mwana mutekete kunyuma kwa Yesu Kristo tanilai
we need
patu
a date.
tujula binayi
Artaxerxes, king of Persia,
katwena tubala chimu cha chishengo nashi
year
padu anta makumi asatu
407 BC.
muchimu cha makumi abine mwana mutekete bimvushi ni mweji mwamani Yesu Kristo
For the Jews.
wakubeteji bati jibwa jende
Previously, we
muchimu cha jikumi chitanu cha bukalenga bwa Tiber Kaisa
Artaxerxes, 457 BC, pertains to the rest
pavo bantu bonso balubwa
of Jerusalem.
ku bobu kubabatiza
The starting date. So 457 plus 480,
kwa kalwa kabiji
the 49.
muntu akalo kubatijibwa akadi Yesu Kristo ne julu ja kunzuluka
AD.
kashepti mwisa tumbeso okumujiluka kusema makumi abine umwe
Now what happened in AD 27?
chimu cha Tiber cha kadi makumi abine mwana mutekete katataka
For a year, I've appointed you a day.
bamasi yatuli nabo bumunyi
Day for a year.
masi anumwe
And let's look at the decree, Ezra 7.
yewe dio kumbaje chiprofete
Of kings unto
mu kabuji makachi
the law of God of heaven.
mu chimu cha jikumi chitanu
That all they which are
mu makumi abine mwana mutekete kunyuma kwa Yesu Kristo
to go up to Jerusalem go with
kuvo Yesu Kristo mweji bumanyi kujinyuma mwimpe
Artaxerxes' king do make a decree
mwa kumva mpinde ubwachingani
the river that was
mu Talmud bavomene muntu ikale ne mulawu wakangula mabeja mukanda wa Daniel
an archaeological tablet has been found
bavo bachina
confirming the date 450
bamba ne bobo bitabuje
beyond the shadow
mukande wa Daniel bakangule
about the date
tendelelo wa buju imana
written in stone.
nyuma mwimpe wakapweka ni mubili wa bunyunyi wa nkuchi
Total prophecy
pambili pende ni jiyi jakafuma mujulu
that from the going forth of the command
jambane ewo jimwananyi munanga
unto the
unji meme
Messiah,
mweye mene
the prince, there shall be 7 weeks and
Marko chapter wakumujulu verse wa dikuni mwitanu
7 plus 62 is how much? That's 69 weeks. The total prophecy concerns
chikondo chakukumbana
70, so there's another week to go. But the prophet
kujimuna imishima yenu
Messiah
kwale wazambu kalivo wipi chikondo ka chakakumbana
will come after the 69
chikondo kai
weeks, and that
chakakumbana yone chapter wakumujulu verse wa makumi abiri chitema mwanayi mwana wa mukoko
So the decree
Wanzambi.
457, 69 times 7, 400,
ujungushe mbi abapolo wanzambi wakele Yesu Kristo mani
and total
muchikondo cha libatiza janje.
That was only that particular decree unto the Messiah. So, 27 AD, the Messiah. Now, how old was
Yesu
he?
Kristo wakambi bobwalu bwanji
Started his
mumukanda nzambi
ministry.
ni byaka kumbana mwakadi bifunda mungalati ya chapter mwina verse mwinayi
27 AD.
paka kumbana chikondo
30 and 27, they don't add up.
Yesu mwacha kukumbaja kakuvuma wa muntu nashi
Wikipedia, even
kakaji kuikala ne Mishna ne Buddha ne Maome muntu mukwa buto anu Yesu kayandi
time has been shifted. And that the
yenye wakakumbaja
whole period is really out by these 4 years. You don't count the
kudi
0 years.
anu masi ya umwepeli wa mukana nzambi bwaluka kwena muntu julo kujitatu kai mupichile kuji
27 AD. The word
mvwangenda yisha ndongeshe mu Alemanya
and when Jesus was anointed
munga muntu wakimana kulibwa kungela lukonkwani ujushima woji
on the 15th
mwena mafi
of the reign of Tiberius,
bwachingani wejo ambane muntu kela mwakulwa kudi tatu anu mupichile kuji Yesu kabwaluka kwena banga bantwani jishima
to pass that Jesus also, being baptized and praying to heaven,
kakwena munga muntu mwakwenza anu Yesu kayandi ani
Luke 3, 1 and 21.
wakusemela pa bwipi nani wakungebeja kuva mwana ni wapaka chikuluseka
7
ujani wewe uditatu ndo mwana wani memene eyo
Messiahs can
jani bantu bungi nunkwemu ni wewe ni wamane wewe tatu hapo
only one that fulfills every single prophecy.
lumani bimo ngakusika ngakumonubwa kumone bwane bimo kaleji shima
Was 20,
kadiki nchilungu chetu hapa to kimo mwana
and Jesus was anointed
mwana to abaka jo akangambile ne kuikala tatu njeji bwa ja menji kadi kuikala tatu mamu mbulele la menmen
the rabbinic
neto akule
would said, "Cursed be the one who numbers the 70 weeks."
netu byakule kalibu tutwakule bijibilela apa Yesu jimashia udi Emmanuel udi Yoshua yepowa musungidi kakwena munga muntu nashi
To an end. And the Holy
udi mufuki
descended in a body
nebikala imufuki nubateleje
upon him, and a voice came from
uli mwakuita buji wakumusangisha mu kwa bwanyi
My
nansha
beloved son, in thee I am well pleased. Now, listen to what it says in Mark chapter 1 verse 15.
limusuku nwambila bwalu bukwapo
Jesus was just
bufubina musoko wani
the year was 27 AD.
kujimukenji mukwabu mupya mupya upatuka
The time
wa mubye bambali bya tulasa
fulfilled, and the kingdom of
bwane bantu bonso wawita buji
repent thee and believe.
tuini chinchi jiba bigene curriculum
Time is fulfilled.
wa binunu bibijine itanu bibiso kumjine mumatuka chilwala bana betu ne baba yisho mba ekelezia yonso
God which taketh away the sins of the world. The anointed
mumasansha wonso
was he
bwa
there?
bana bamani nzambe yonso ya ekelezia mikwabo
of Nazareth with the Holy Ghost and with power. Acts 10.
Mbenta chisha
Place at his baptism.
yumisambi ni wakumbana mumatuku bakesa
Coming forth of the Messiah who would take the
Shina
sins of
mwakuita
the world
Bible.
upon him was predicted precisely.
mulayi wakakumbana ni nzambe wakatuma mwananji
Galatians 4 verse
chakapita nchinga ni mulumi lwa makumwana mutekete
was come. God sent forth his son.
kuliba bantu bali batuma mbingweyi mumatuku adikai manji kukala pa bibi nokumbana nanshi bamba ne ebimbi tangile mwena lukuna wa nzambi
Jesus fulfills it. Nobody else. And I'm going to put it straight out to you. Nobody else. No Shiva, no Brahma, no Vishnu, no Buddha, no Muhammad, no nobody. Jesus.
teleja yimbimpa bingumana mutekete mitale bena yuda bwakujela mibi yabo nekutwala bwakane bwakashiji
Biblical Messiah.
byonso babi bitangila masi ya Yesu
To the Father.
kulima kwa mbingu makumana mutekete masi ne apite mushindu kai ne bye mwenzekele chinga ncha mwenzekela
And I said that.
nekali mushipa
Up in the audience and said,
nekali mushipa mumucha kimbwendi yenka yende to kadi mbwangani
nobody comes to the Father except through Jesus Christ. They're
Naf.
pagans. What about all the others?
kambwanji mbwangani bwetu
And I said, yeah, you're right. It sounds arrogant
kibidi bimpesha
to say
luzuku
nobody does it except through.
bwane bantu bamukokeshi ne balukushipa chimenga
But if somebody comes up to
kuji
me
kukokangana mwabewu
and he says to me, and I'm sitting there with
baba twambila bwalibwa makanda abiji
are you the father of that child?
makanda nzambi amasi ya wanzambi ne makanda bulobebu
Billions of people have
afuma kulomu alomu lomu wakulwa bwakushipa mu chini mumakumana mutekete
Well, you know, folks, that might be arrogant,
kadi yeyi wakushipibwa kambwa bwanyi nkayende bwetu twetu
right? Although my sister does say that
kakwena wapyana mujimu wanji
fact.
bantu ba muko keshi ne bashipe musoko ni chitendelelo shikilwandi ne kale bukula ni kupasala kwa musulu wa mai nenze najadike chipungi chikole ne bantu ba bungi bokushala chilumingulum na leke shidifila ja milambu ani mulambu wa nyama mishipa na teke chinyangu cha jibutuka to ne palwa jibutuka ja kasungula nzambi pambidi pa mwena chinyangu Yesu jimasiya yeyin kaende wakulwa mulambu chipofecha mbingu makumana mutekete chichitangile masiya kachimwe chakuye mumatuka chilolo nashi bolubwa bivomo nkachimwa lumingu mvobini chakukumbana chabibidi chamana mutekete nchingani
and acknowledge the deities of all the other religions as well. I have a problem with that.
Bidi mu bisatu ni chitu.
I don't know, maybe they'll
ne pakaji kabimwe uvoni chakushipibwa.
Well, I'm sorry.
Wakimanyika kufila kwa milambo eyi.
When the fullness of time was
wakashimije mibya bapa bulo telejani.
Galatians 4 verse 4. And what happens in the 70th week? You know there are
ngani uvoni chakumbaje chiprofete chinyeyi.
prophetic ways that are out there in the world, and some take the 70th week and they throw it into the future somewhere way out there.
Cha bibidi chai
That pertains
cha
to
chidibo munyi
Antichrist.
bisatu ni chitupu
Now hang on a second, the 70 weeks
watu jitumusha
to end transgression.
isatu ni chitupa tutusakijila ku makumi abili mwana mutekete bibi tutwala muchimu cha makumi asatu ni chimwe
All of it was messianic.
kechikondo chikalezu kiliso ni chakuji kwimanyika kufila kwa milambo wa bena yud
What does it say there?
kibidi bibi umvuija
But not for himself.
byakafika.
What does that mean? He will die, but not for himself. For whom?
Kiliso nekali mushipa kali kambo anje nkayanje nashi
It's exciting. It gets
cha bibidi cha mwana mutekete bomunyi
and the people
isatu ni chitupu
that shall come shall destroy the
tuni chakumusha
Now we have a chiasm.
bisatu ni chitupu echi tusakila ku makumi abili mwana mutekete bitupesha
About
chidimu cha makumi asatu ni chimukulima kwa Yesu Kristo echi kichikondo
prince and another one who comes.
chivuabuni cha kuimanyika kufila kwa milambo kwa bena yud
That was the wrong.
kibivu mvuija chitendelelo chakale byakafika Kiliso wakafa kambo anje nkayanje
Messiah was
mbwalu bunene
but not for himself.
cheli profete echi chakale chichitale Yesu Kristo muntu mukwa buto
And the sanctuary
bibi tekesha
shall be with a flood and
balombo babomba maekeleza lelo
determined Daniel 9 verse 20.
makumi abili mwana mutekete Yesu Kristo akafa
He
kadi wakashala bidi mu bisatu ne chitu
covenant with many.
bidi mu mwana mutekete byaka koshibwa pa bantu bebe
Messiah
bokushika bimu makumi asatu ni china ikuma kwa Yesu Kristo lekela no ambili bwalubu kwapo
hasn't worked.
Yesu wakwambila bayi bende bwakuyabu koji bajibashi mini bamuzi bwayiselele kaka babenga na shetoni kulufulwanje wakamba ni nuyuku jibuja ambedi
Of the week he shall bring
bakwenze mujimu
to sacrifice.
kujibena Yuda toni muchidimu cha makumi asatu nchinayi kadibunga bwalubu wakapita
Did the Messiah
bwalubu kwa bwakupita
to the sacrifice?
bakukuma Stefano mabwe
He became the sacrifice.
nebena Kiliso bakunyema
Became the sacrifice.
bavo bakengesha popa kunyema bakuyepeni
Folks, please think about this.
wakabatumi nabu wakadi mpolo
Week pertains still to the Messiah.
bakwenza muposolo polo muposolo wa bampakani wa babisamba
Of that week.
petelo wakumona muchikena kumona
The middle of 7 is how much?
chilamba chifweka
How long was
chikali ne nyama mibipe
active after
chifo muchikondo chiwoya kwa Cornelio
3.5 years?
wakamwambile ne nzambi wakundeje nchina makubikile chakufuka nzambi nchachana na nchonoke
For you and me and
nubanga ne bibikanjikibwe
sacrificial.
bwatwe tukusoma mwaba udibena Yuda ne bajikabe bena Yuda kadi nzambi wakuntuma kwebe
Is that right? So only he can
muchimu cha makumi asatu ni chinayi
the prophecy.
bakushipa Stefano
Future, or does it pertain to the time of Christ?
mujimu vumubapesha animpesha bena Yuda bakutangala julu mulimpe wakutangala julu mulimpe bulo buchima wakapesha wakashika bakaupesha babisamba bidi bya mushinga bikola
What is
mwena Yuda yonsudi musuku kwitabuja lumu lwimpe
of 27
ani muskulu twalo ncha kwitaba jambe di Yesu Kristo
31.
bikalo lumu Kristo ujikanka nuna kabala pamu
27, 3
kimujipi
and
Kristo akafuku muchimu cha makani mujiba jakaje bibyamba
Jews, which the temple stood for, comes to an end. Shall Messiah be
anumu vwa bibi funda mumuka muchi profete mwakenzekela bi Yesu Kristo
this ancient prophet,
ne munkachi mwa lumingu wakapopeji bwa kumuchimu cha makane
much to the disgust of many religious leaders
bakamubenga
in the world today.
kajinga swanzambi wakashala nibushe mabwende
But there's still a 3.5 left.
nasha wakamubenga po
70 weeks were
bayidi bende bakatungunuka
Jews.
bilone shile Daniele
In 34 AD. Now let me tell you something.
yumvwangana pankachi pa bana bayiselele jivoni chakushikira muchimu cha makumi asanu chinayi shalai mubuji miebu apa mpa chibi cha mikoko
Children of what?
apa mwaba utububa popele
Go
Yesu
back
Kristo
to the lost children of Israel. He didn't reject them even at his death.
bakajinga yikale mfumu wabuaba mfumu ali mkalengo wabuaba kalenge bwashipe bena lomo kadi wakaloye bwakoshipa mibi yabo bobo
Something happened.
meme mwakaisha bene falayima mwakwenda bo
Stephen and the Christians,
mubakonge mumaboko kadi kabakamanya ne
remember?
nakabondopa
And Paul received the vision and he was made the apostle to
nakabakoka
the Gentiles.
ni myonji ya jinanga
Aha.
nakadi kujibumu muntu ujiwambula muchi wachiko kadi panshingu yabo
Unclean things.
nakateka byakuja kumpala kwabo
A Gentile. And he comes to Cornelius and he says, God has
pajuya wakubole mu Yerusalema wakubanga wakujila
man under-"
pakutala chimenga kama nizubwebu nashali chanani
You know, he says to him that it is
bolbo chikono chakati mun chakuta lumulumbi chakashika
but God has shown me in vision I can come to you. So AD 34,
uji umwambila ne buwewe kabidi mumanye malu aja kupeche ditalala
gospel would be
kadi
carried forth by the
bakukusokoka kumeskweb
end, and the Gentiles take the message further. They preach the risen Christ.
muchimu chama kumesa tunichimu
Interesting.
byonso byakakumbana mwakadi bifungibwe pabwali bwa Yesu mukanda nzami mu Marko chapter 5 verse 13 mwana mukulu
But he has to acknowledge Jesus
chilulu cha muntempelo cha kapandi kombitu pa bibiji
and therefore become a Christian.
bibato ajilukulu tone pashi
Christ, then you be.
ki pashi tone kulu nashi
That's how it works.
nzami wakachipanda
Crucified exactly on time. According
mwaba wachijila wakamweneka bili bimvuje ne mwene yuda yonsu vuma kubele mwaba mutambi chijila ne kumona kwikale ne moyo bwalu bwa mujimu wa milambu wakajika
mercy lingered and
Yesu Kristo wakakumbasha bwalu ebu ni bwalu bwa mulambu
not only Christ but his followers. as well.
wakabenzana musango umwe
According to the prophecy of
Ne.
God's covenant with the Jews would cease.
bili mwakumvuje chingani
4 AD. And henceforth you have to be grafted into the vine. They preached
wakabenza musango umwe
and they were
ne tala bwane muntu mani kuibaka kazu bugende kakakesi ubanga kufila milambu bile bili mwakumvuje chingani
crucified.
ebidi kuvila mujimu wa Yesu Kristo wakusungila kudi
And they wanted
malu
to destroy the Romans, but he came.
bino amwana muntu ani bantu bibakanzu bukampanda
I who taught Ephraim to
ela menji bimpi Yesu Kristo wakakumbaji
my arms, but they
wakabenza musango umwe
that I had healed them.
kadi bino amwana muntu wenzanzubu wambabo wakuye kwikala ukukuila fila milambu
Bands of
ebidi
love
mwakumvuje
went
chingani
down to them and
bidi
said,
kuvila mujimu wa Yesu Kristo
how can I give you up?
bikala kudi bantu bali benza malu anankuba asa chitende bwa kwenza malu balekela ibenze nchi batangile
I wanted to gather you up
nibando ndibimpani
like a mother hen her chicks, but you
chilulu cha ntempelu cha kapandika
therefore your house
banshilukulu tonu kumanda nujinanyani
the time when they
chilamba
carriers
echi
of
cha
the
kapandika
gospel message would come to an end.
bitu ajiluku muto kumana mata makumi abiri mwana mutete mveso makumi atanu umwe
Wept. He wept.
bifananga nine chipofe cha Daniele
On this day, what would bring you peace, but now it is hidden from your eyes.
jumvangana janzambi ne bena yuda jivoni cha kushikila muchimu cha makumi asatu nchinayi kunyuma kwa Yesu Kristo
Embankment against you and encircle you and hem you in on every side, and they will
walwa Yesu Kristo nkaini wakwenza bwalwebu bwa malonso akalimeza muchindoli chakali
stone upon another. Luke 19.
kano makutuma bwalwe muchikondo chakali nashi
Yes. Look, your house
bole bwaka kumbana kale mungalati ya chapito muisa tumesema kwa ni chitema binu ikala mukilisto nudi tunka nuna to abala pamba bapyani bilonshile mulai mumushindu mukwabu ewita buja Yesu Kristo ujikanka nuna ka abala pamba momani kimom Paulo diwa ambane kujikanka nuna nukamwe Yesu Kristo ngalati ya isambo mujiku ni itanu kako sediku ni isambo bolbwa bikala muntu mutengulani kai bikala ye kai mutengula kakwena bwalu kadi kwikala muntu mupya kujibwalu.
And the veil of the temple was rent in twain from the top to the bottom. Not from the bottom to the top, from the top.
Jitalala ni ngasa kujaba babalonda mukenjeo.
He tore it. Now when that veil tore,
Jumunanga bena yuda bikol njimbalunda babungi mubena yud. Jindomba nzambi bwa bitabu jilumu luimpe kujibatu babunga bimuchi mu nzubwewu. Chena musu kuko kangana nabu nashi. Jinga kula bwa bwa chi prophet cha Yesu. Modani chapter 1 ngulu verse ngulu winai.
Jesus fulfilled.
Ujwa ngambile ne papita jindani jilolo binunu bini makumi ya satu pashe chitendele chi ne balongo le chitendelelo. Kodi malo abungi muchi prophet echi. Kolonla kwa chitendelelo chiji chief difeso ya bena yuda nene tubali.
That Christ was not sacrificed.
Bafo ba kula bwa chilumbuli cha kale. Cho prophet ni chika mubiji nenkama isatu. Pashishe chendelele. Tudiwa ni bulobe bwa kalumbulishe wa musango umwe chikondo cha mvula wa Noa. Bonso bavoka mbwatu bakafu. Muyone chapit muita verse 17 nchitema. Yesu Kristo ujimoyo.
God's covenant with the Jews would cease.
Nojinduke bakushingulula malu aji mafunda mumukanda wa nzambi bonunwele menji mu malu tujini moyo wa chendelele malu ukabiji aja ngamba yone chapter 5 verse 13 chitema mu Yesu Kristo tujini moyo mu Yesu Kristo ibasungijibwe mu Yesu Kristo makubona mbutumbi mu kukumbana kwende bitu katumva chi profete echi katumva kwikala bashima na shomu sango mu kubabyonso bibita ndi musukunu manishe ne malu akalipa kukumbana katataka enzela inzambi mujimu ne umwenu kashimini jinu sakile bwa kulo kwenu.